Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a makeup look, because why not? I'm gonna turn this up brighter actually. It kind of works, kind of doesn't, I don't really know. We're back. I put the dogs away because I needed to, but I am here. I'm here. I'll be doing a makeup look that I would consider Halloweeny. I have no idea, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna do the thing. I'm just putting on some primer because I have a horrible complexion. Everything that I use is gonna be linked below, so if you're interested, you look down there. I don't do Halloween looks because I'm incredibly bad at makeup, like extremely bad at makeup. So forgive me. This is so white on the face. So I've been really busy. I guess you can do this. This is like a talking vlog, as you may probably already can tell because I'm talking more than normal, or at least trying to. But I watched He's All That with Addison Rae and Tanner Buchanan. I was gonna say, it's a good movie. Definitely for somebody younger, obviously. If you did not already see the movie, you can tell it's definitely made for somebody not my age. And it's a good movie. Like, I would recommend anybody to watch it if they are into that type of movie style, which is very like cliche, childish, in the sense that it's mainly geared towards preteens or middle schoolers going into high school, because this is the movie that middle schoolers probably think high school is for the most part. As you will, that's pretty much what the movie is. My only critique from the movie, this whole movie, is why was there a dance scene? Okay, like a 5-minute dance off, dance scene, whatever you want to call it. No reward. There was no like who's the winner, who's the loser. It was just a random dance scene, 5-minute dance scene, kind of at the end of the damn movie, and it was just there. There was no reason for it. Like, I didn't understand it, and I still don't understand it. It is what it is. And I'm just gonna be filling in my brows. I could shave it in this, but I'm not gonna. And that is my brows. I don't really do anything crazy to them because I don't know how. Next, I don't have dark eyeshadow, okay? So we're gonna take my ugly 24G palette. We're gonna take the darkest color, which is a dark brown. It is not a black. And we're gonna put it on my eyeballs and see what happens, okay? It's gonna look ugly, okay? I'm sorry. But I suggest you just trust the process. I'm using a Morphe brush because Morphe is a lot better than the Bobbi Brown brush that I just used. I did like a makeup look similar to this, probably a lot better though, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and then I ruined it with eyeliner. So we're not going to do that. We are, however, going to put, we're going to try these magnetic lashes that I bought. And then I'm going to take, I guess, this brown color next to it. I'm not really going to show you it because it would take too much time. And then I'm just gonna grab a bunch of reds. I'm trying to do something, but if it fails, it fails. I'm trying to save this look any way that I possibly can, because your girl is not an artist, okay? I'm not an artist, nor do I say that I am. I just like to do makeup regardless of whether or not it looks good. Don't know how well this will turn out, but we'll see. And then I have another palette. There is no red, so we're just gonna go with Vega. I know what you're thinking. What are you doing? I have no idea. I have no idea. Girl, I have no idea what's happening. I really don't. Take that same red color, run it under the eyes. That'll be fine. And then I'm just gonna use a color as a highlight. And then I don't have a contour, so I'm just gonna use the same Morphe palette since there's like so many colors in there. Like so many. Use this blush. I don't really like this blush because it's not that, like, I don't like this color of pink. Also, I really appreciate the people that liked my videos and that subscribe. Welcome to the channel. I took it out. I'm so sorry. You're gonna have to suffer because it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm very sorry. You're gonna have to suffer though. Okay. This color, this color, this color. I don't know. Probably. I will put my eyelashes on and then we'll be done. So pray with me because I don't know how to do this. But I'm assuming I put this on and wait for it to dry. It pretty much worked. I'll just add a little wingy wing. But I'm back and I fixed my mistakes. I added a little wing to finish this look. All I gotta say, it does work. It does work. I think that I need to extend my liner a little bit because I only stopped right there, but I probably should have extended more because this feels like it's flying sometimes when I blink. Also, it's something I have to get used to. Like, I understand this is on my face, but it doesn't feel to me the same as glue, but it's a lot more lightweight, I guess you would say. But it's pretty good. It's a lot better than glue. If I do say so myself, because I suck at putting lashes on, and this is a godsend. But yeah, this is the look. This is what I came up with, in whatever I could think of. Even though I called this Halloween, unless you want to call it fall, a fall look, that'll work. But I think I look fine. I think I look good. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video, depending on when that is, because I don't know. Okay. Bye.